स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.
Hello friends, welcome you all to daily answer writing challenge of UPSC Mains. Today we are going to discuss one of the important question relating to pandemic and social infrastructure. Whenever the word social infrastructure comes, remember social infrastructure involves two important aspects. One is health and second one is education. So the question is, education has received a setback in the time of pandemic. The impact is immense and it is the need of the hour to take efforts to prevent large scale dropout. Discuss. Now this is a very interesting question. I know you are going to write again about pandemic, what happened and all the factual data. Here remember, what should be the beginning of your answer? Why the word immense has been used? This you have to discuss. So first discuss why the impact is immense. Now while explaining the impact as an immense or it is a very serious, you have to go from three perspectives. First, from regional perspective, that is in terms of states. Second, in terms of rural urban perspective. Why? Because for rural urban people online courses were available. And third, you have to go for gender perspective, that women and girls have left their education completely. So these three important perspectives you have to explain while explaining the impact, how it is immense. And then second part you have to go for, it is about why it is need of the hour. It is how to talk about second part, that is why it is need of the hour to look at the education. This should be second part. Why? Because why we must focus on the education post pandemic era. Why? What is necessity of focusing on the education in this post pandemic era. Then third part, going by the question is, here see, to prevent large scale dropout. Now here going by this, why it is need of the hour. Then third most part, how to stop this dropout of the children, all girls, rural, urban, how to drop out, and finally what are the difficulties in achieving this target, and finally how to overcome these difficulties. So this is plain answer. Just I will go for it once again. First, in 25 to 30 words you have to write about why this impact is immense in terms of regional, rural, urban divide and gender. Then second, you have to write why it is need of the hour to focus on these aspects so that the dropout can be reduced. Third, how to stop the dropout. Here you are expected to write the specific methods, and here specific methods should not be conventional. The specific methods should be related with post pandemic region where people are suffering from most important unemployment, then issue of migration, then they are suffering from the issue of financial distress condition. So you have to take special initiatives and special measures how to work on specific methods to prevent dropout. Then what could be the difficulties in achieving this dropout by local, regional and national perspective, and how to overcome these difficulties. So this is where you have to write the answer. If you are going to write just only plain normal answers, you are not going to score good marks. When you are going to write answers, it should be very specific as per the requirement of the question. Now, second question is for homework. Federalism and good governance need engagement between people and official. This is the source of Hindu editorial. So I would suggest every one of you to go through the Hindu editorial to write the homework. It is very interesting question. I will be discussing this question in 2 days. Once you are ready with the answer, federalism and good governance need engagement between people and official. Then third question is, write about major teachings of Swami Vivekananda. Discuss the relevance of his hidden ideas in current times. So it is about GS4 ethics. It is in reference to Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary on 12th of January. So these are interesting questions. Thank you very much. We'll meet soon. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.